Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to enable or disable keyboard vibration in Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. This feature lets the device vibrate when the Samsung keyboard is tapped. To begin, on the home screen, tap on Apps. Tap on Settings. Tap on Sounds and Vibration. Scroll and tap on Keyboard Vibration to enable or disable it. When the switch turns blue, it means that the keyboard vibration feature has enabled. Now let's see how it works. So let's open the Samsung keyboard and you will be able to feel the vibration on tapping the keyboard. So this is how we can enable or disable keyboard vibration in Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.